Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video, I will demonstrate the process of assigning a static IP address to your computer using the command prompt. First, open the command prompt as administrator mode. Next, execute the following command to identify the network interface cards installed on your computer. Next, note down the interface name of the network adapter you want to assign IP address. Next, execute the following command to set the IP address, subnet mask and gateway to your network interface card.